Hi, good morning everyone. We are having our breakfast here in Kanlı Büvet. And wow, as you can see, we are having breakfast with these bees around our table and of course our nice background. And this area is so big, so fresh and so clean. Let's have breakfast now.
Did you have a nice sleep today?
Of course, I
Wow.
had a really nice sleep because the weather is so cold. I mean, not that cold, it's just normal cold. It's not hot unlike in the city. So if you are planning to escape from the summer heat, just come here in this place. It's really nice.
Yes. Okay, let's eat.
Okay. So this is the place that we camped last night. And people are still coming. This is our inflatable bed, our air bed. And that is our tent. Let me give you some information about this Kanlı Büvet. Kanlı means bloody and then Büvet means goal or lake. So they called it Bloody Lake because before this lake was a lake where they are transporting those woods, big woods, and then someone fell down under this lake and then he couldn't save himself and then he died. That's why they called it Kanlı Büvet or the Bloody Lake. This caravan is like a house. Look, it's a store, it's a house, it's everything for them. They also have their small chairs and tables here. So if they have a customer, they can comfortably sit here. It's very nice. And now it's time for us to explore more.
Nibyo byago n'igihe gito abakurambere barakwitangiye ntibakenyera ubuzima bwabo bwari bwugarijwe ahazaza ibyiringiro ndakureba mu ndororerwa y'ejo hazaza ndabona imfura zawe zitagendera mu mugayo ndabona batahiriza ku mugozi umwe intego yabo ari amajyambere arambye umurimo utubera indangagaciro iwacu dukundana igihugu catubyaye igihugu cyacu turagikunda twese hamwe uzumurikira bikunyuriyemo igihugu cyanjye igihugu cyanjye igihugu cyacu oh yeah yeah Africa yeah 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 oh na na yeah Woo! Igihugu cyanjye oh yeah yeah oh turagikunda twese hamwe uzumurikira bikunyuriyemo igihugu cyanjye oh yeah yeah igihugu cyacu Africa oh yeah yeah
Dum